Hello friends, in this video we easily learn all the numbers in Turkish and what you need to add to order them. Join us by subscribing to learn Turkish. Bir, iki, üç, dört, beş, altı, yedi, sekiz, dokuz, on, on bir, on iki, on üç, on dört, on beş, on altı, on yedi, on sekiz, on dokuz, on yirmi, otuz, kırk, elli, altmış, yetmiş, seksen, doksan, yüz, bin, In Turkish, ordinal number adjectives are made by adding the suffix inci, ıncı, uncu, üncü. to the end of numbers. For example, when we want to say first, birinci, birinci, üçüncü, üçüncü, ikinci, ikinci, beşinci, beşinci. Turkish numbers are like this in short. If you have any questions or have missed something, you can write it in the comments. Goodbye, see you in another video.